Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making bagels and it will only take 20 to 50 minutes. And it's really easy. We have made this video for you and maybe you should try it because there are many people in India who really don't try bagels yet, so that's why we made this video for all purpose. And yeah. The ingredients should be reported to the description. I hope you enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, share, and enjoy. That's the spirit. Please stay safe during quarantine, and I really mean it. Enjoy! So first, take some flour in a pot or any plate, and then some yogurt in any 2 cups. Then add some baking soda into the pot of flour. Add some more, at least 2 spoons. Then mix them, and then now add the yogurt. Add 2 cups. And then start mixing. Keep mixing until it's a very soft dough. And it's going to be really cute. So now we have shaped the poem we're going to put in the oven. Here you will need an egg. Just crack it up in a bowl and mix it if you like. And then we're going to, you can take like a mixer or a spoon or use your own hands and put it on the shaped bagels. So here it is. We're going to have to shape it well. Then put the egg onto the bagels on the top. And then after you're done, it helps the bagels to look like kind of sticky. Now, here's some more yogurt. You can put the yogurt if you like. Now start mixing. Now, set it in the oven at least for a bit. And you see, it's warm. And now it's ready. Our bagels, our tasty homemade bagels. They're so crispy. So gorgeous. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you next time soon. And I suggest you to try this. It is really good.